Outlook requires you to open a variety of data files so that you can simulate a particular inbox. So this video will just briefly show you how to go and get that data file and then also to get rid of it. So you're looking at my inbox. I have a lot of email accounts associated with my Outlook. You will not have all these. You'll typically just have your inbox once you've associated Outlook to your student email. To open a data file, you're going to go to the File menu, and then once at the File menu, you will click Open and Export, and then you're going to open an Outlook data file. So I'm going to go ahead and choose that. It's going to take me to my Files area on my computer. You'll need to locate where you downloaded your student data files earlier in this module. Mine is on my desktop in 316, so I could get to it quickly. So go to Data Files, let that open, and then these are organized by module. So I'm going to be in Outlook 1, and then the module project, which will be the first thing that you'll do, would be here, and here is my data file that I need. So I'm going to double click on that. It's going to open. Now notice where it occurred, or where it was put, excuse me. It's here, Outlook data file. Now the question I get from a lot of students is, but I don't see anything, nothing appeared. That's because you have to select the data file, open it or expand it, and then you'll notice that your inbox has 3 messages. In order to see those messages, you must select the inbox, and then you'll have active messages in which you can perform the steps needed in the module. Once you're done with that module, you'll want to get rid of the data file. So I will go here, right click on the data file name, and then just close it. And then it disappears from my Outlook. I'm back to my normal message listing. Now keep in mind that all of your activity in that data file is saving to the data file. So if for some reason you want to repeat and go back through the assignment instructions or the module instructions, you may need to re-download your data files to get a clean version of the data file. Okay, hopefully that clears that up for you. Again, the File menu, and then open and export, open a data file, locate that data file, and then remember that it will occur down in your navigation pane. You'll have to select it to open it and then get to the inbox to perform the steps. Let me know if you have any questions.